Hello, Shakil here. Welcome to my brand new tutorial of WordPress. So before that, we need to know all about WordPress, the market condition, the real situation, and in the era of AI, what's its status. Okay. So is WordPress really dead? To the 2026 reality check, and you should not learn WordPress before watching this video. Okay. So as of 2026, WordPress power approximately 75.6 million website worldwide. So it's mammoth, it's huge. Okay, with a 59% share of the internet content management system market, it remains the world leading CMS by wide margins, significantly outperform competitors such as Shopify and Wix. You see the status all WordPress uses among the other CPM platforms. Okay, you see this is none, I mean they are not using any CMS. This is WordPress, and you see the Shopify and WordPress comparison, Wix, Squarespace, Joomla and others. And you see WordPress market share among other CMS platform. You see the WordPress, it's staggering. Okay, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Joomla, Webfollow, Tilda, Drupal, Dupa and above system. And WordPress has the WooCommerce plugin, and it's massive also. You see WooCommerce, though Shopify has high traffic, but still they are doing great in the market. Active store 4.5 to 6 million active store, and best for content heavy sites, full customization. And Shopify is merely a e-commerce based, and Wix store management Magento. Okay, and BigCommerce. And you see another plugins download ratio, Elementor 10 million active downloads, Contact from 10 million downloads, Yosta SEO 10 million, Classified Editor 10 million, WooCommerce 8 million, Light Speed Cache 6 million, Akismet 6 million, WP from 6 million. So number is huge. So WordPress is not dying. And you see Yosta SEO more than 5 million, all in on SEO pack 2 million, and rank math 8 million. So, and not only that, every month the keyword WordPress is searched approximately 2.24 million times worldwide. So still it is in demand. Okay, highlighting its massive global popularity and continued demand. WordPress development is also a highly rewarding career in the United States. The average WordPress developer earning around a huge amount. Okay, which works out the about per month roughly $41 per hour. Experienced developers can earn on 48,000 annually, around $78 per hour. Okay, so it's huge. You can read this, so it will motivate you definitely. And the United States leads the world WordPress adoption with over 1.6 million WordPress website. In the United States, it has 1.6 million WordPress website. In Europe, Germany has approximately 1.9 million WordPress website, followed by the United Kingdom 1.36 million and France with 1.4 million, demonstrating WordPress strong presence across the region. Meanwhile, emerging markets are experiencing rapid growth. Brazil is home to more than 1.8 million WordPress websites, while India has nearly 748,000, highlighting the increasing adoption of WordPress. So it's huge, it's mammoth. In the era of AI, still it's dominating. Okay, so it's worth learning. You should not hesitate. So I am going to deep dive the WordPress basic to Headless CMS, and I have another course, WooCommerce with React.js. So it will be exciting and wonderful journey. You can learn a lot of things. So stay tuned, stay connected, and like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Okay, in the next tutorial we will discuss about our course curriculum, what we are going to cover. Okay, thank you very much, see you soon.